Foreign Minister Bilawal Zardari is in Muzaffarabad on a 3-day visit of Azad Jammu and Kashmir to express solidarity with the people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir against nefarious moves of the Indian government to pretend normalcy by holding a G20 moot in the disputed territory. Foreign Minister in his speech to the Legislative Assembly of Azad Jammu and Kashmir said, "Today occupied Kashmir has become an open prison, a Kashmir where Muslims are being forced to be feared, thousands of them killed or blinded, their lands grabbed or being bulldozed. India's continued denial of the rights of the Kashmiri people is wrongful, illegal act. India will have to fulfill UN resolutions by granting the Kashmiri people their lawful right to self-determination." Modi-led Indian regime has caged the people by converting the entire valley into a military fortress on the occasion of G20 meeting in Srinagar today. Despite Indian authorities' threats to the business community, complete shutdown is being observed today to register protests against the G20 meeting in Srinagar by the Modi government. Former Governor Satyapal Malik has once again attacked the Modi government in India over the Pulwama incident, saying the 2019 Lok Sabha elections were fought on the bodies of our soldiers and the then Home Minister would have to resign if there had been a probe into the incident. Satyapal Malik at an event in Jaipur said he had informed the Prime Minister Narendra Modi about the attack just after the incident, but he told me to keep quiet. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has said that the Modi-led Indian regime has turned the occupied Kashmir into the notorious American military prison Guantanamo on the occasion of the G20 meeting, starting from today with the key member China along with Saudi Arabia, Turkey and Egypt staying away from it. The PDP leader addressing a press briefing in Bengaluru said, "To tell you the truth, if you visit Kashmir today, you will see that the place which was converted into an open-air prison has been converted into Guantanamo." Indian Army has launched a massive operation in forward areas of the Poonch district. The operation is particularly underway at Keri in Mender area of the district. The roads leading to the vast area were closed and the residents were asked to stay indoors. The searches were conducted in the populated area. The combining operation was going on till the last reports came in. All parties Hurriyat Conference leaders of the political parties and members of the civil society of Azad Jammu and Kashmir have urged the world body to intervene and resolve the lingering Kashmir dispute as per the United Nations resolutions. Speakers while addressing a sit-in protest organized by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter during outside the United Nations office in Islamabad said the hosting of a tourism working group meeting of the G20 countries in Srinagar is part of the India's disinformation campaign. People across Europe, particularly the United Kingdom, held protest demonstration against India's move to hold G20 meeting in occupied Kashmir, putting a question mark over the facade of the so-called rules-based order as advanced by most of the world's biggest economies. Responding to the call by Tehreek-e-Kashmir UK, hundreds of people and allies of the Kashmiris and Pakistan came out in the various cities of the Europe, including the UK, and urged the G20 nations to abandon the so-called invite by India to the G20 meeting in Srinagar. Massive protest demonstrations were held and rallies taken out in Azad Jammu and Kashmir, including its capital Muzaffarabad, against the G20 meeting hosted by the Modi-led Indian government in internationally disputed territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Call for the protest rallies and demonstrations were jointly given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference and Azad Jammu and Kashmir leadership. One such big rally was organized by Pasbane Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir in Muzaffarabad, which was attended by a large number of citizens including women and children.